Hi guys, I'm Luis. Welcome to the 79th video of the story not today to improve my English. And I have take a shower yet. Mm, Now I'm on a relaxing mode. Uh, about my problem of my SSD box and my laptop. Tomorrow I have submitted a new living from company, and I go to the laptop center to repair this laptop and check the issue of the box SSD. Uh, okay. Today in the company doesn't has matter, but today I have other new toy. Is SMB One Tiger, the Megazord of the white uh, Ranger Morphin. Uh, okay, and today I have back to the gym exercise for myself, cause now it's the end of the year in the lunar calendar, but yeah, I must be repair myself for New Year's. And about my personal project, I have published it on the Flutter Puppet, but it's not have full score, and I think I will be updated again. I need full score for this, for my new job, new freelancer job, of course. And goodbye, see you next video. See ya.